How are we looking today, Jed?
All right, guys, we're watching satellite this morning. Satellite has shown some clouds around. Those low clouds were with us yesterday evening, but they have now shifted up toward north. Can't see a few more low clouds on the high-res clouds here this morning. Coming up from Texas, that's Gulf moisture coming up our way. So for right now, our skies are clear. We'll see a few patches of clouds around, so I think we'll call it partly sunny today. Sunshine, few clouds at times, and then we'll see again a lot of wind today as well. Looking at the big view, we can see on Storm Shield trough out to our west. That's this next storm system, and it's producing some rain, and in the higher elevations of the mountains, some snow. These big areas of brown from Oklahoma, Texas, out west into New Mexico, that's because of wind, and a lot of it. Those winds are going to be howling coming up for today across central western parts of Oklahoma. These areas in that dark brown, that's a high wind watch, as we'll expect to see winds gusting to near 50 miles per hour out in the Panhandle coming up for today. So strong winds in the forecast today. Winds right now, they're sustained around 17 miles per hour, and they're at the weakest they'll be all day. Winds will only pick up as that storm system approaches. Winds going up with morning temps starting out near 59. It's going to warm up. We'll be near 62 at 8, 66 at 10, in the 70s at lunchtime. So we nose up around or just above 80 degrees by 4 o'clock today. Those south winds kicking in. They'll be sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour, some higher gusts than that. Sun sets now at 7:44. UV index will climb up to a 6 later today. Allergies, I'm feeling this morning. Mulberry is the big story on the allergy index. It is reported very high along with the oaks and the hackberries. Also watching some weeds here this morning, also in the moderate category. Just talking about that makes my nose itch. How about that? All right, 50s, 60s out the door this morning. Looking at some mild temperatures out there this morning, and those south winds kicking in as well. South winds right now, 10, 20 miles per hour. A few pockets of higher winds across Oklahoma this morning. Well, let's track the next big storm. Here it comes. Big storm system rolling into the central parts of the country by tomorrow morning. That rolls across. We'll see that move on by. That'll produce a chance for some severe weather. Here comes the next system right here. See the next trough right there? That comes in on Sunday. That'll roll and bring another chance of some storms. And then one more storm coming on the heels of that. That rolls in on Wednesday. That system will come on in, kind of a bigger system, so that'll have an impact on our storms from Tuesday through Thursday, and we'll see that roll on through. Look on the heels of that. Here comes another storm. So all the way into early April, we've got several storms to deal with here for Oklahoma. So it looks like we're starting off this spring storm season on an active note. 70s, 80s for highs coming up for today. Let's give you some details on the rainfall totals. The rain will start out west, producing some rainfall totals, maybe in the half-inch to inch range in some localized areas. That'll be great news in those drought-stricken areas of northwest Oklahoma. Kind of weekends with some rain chances tonight, looking more limited across central Oklahoma. Then redevelops tomorrow with more rain and storms in the eastern part of the state, and maybe some heavier rainfall totals in the 1-2 inch range. Let's give you the rain chances coming our way. Rain chances this evening, western Oklahoma, out in the Panhandle. That's where they look best. With that, a risk of a severe storm way out west as well. Golf ball size hail, winds to 75. Rain chance tonight look more limited. Best chances in the south, where we'll see a scattered shower, maybe a thunderstorm there. And then going into eastern Oklahoma tomorrow, scattered storms, and those storms will be kicking in with also some severe weather possible. Low threat, but if a storm fires up as large as golf ball size hail, winds to 75, and tornado threat looks very low as well. We'll throw in some fire danger for your Friday. Another risk of severe weather possible. We'll watch that. Not everything coming together quite yet, but we'll see the possibility for it. We'll track it on Sunday. So Storm 1 comes in on Friday. That'll produce some storms. Storm 2 on Sunday. That'll produce some storms. And the Storm 3, kind of a larger system, will have an impact from Tuesday through early Thursday, with chances of severe weather there as well. So 80s today and tomorrow, then mainly 60s and 70s heading into next week.
All right, thanks, Jed.